Yo, gang, what's going on, Chili fam? It's another day, another video, man. What we about to do today is, as y'all see by the title and the thumbnail, we about to go ahead and change out the LED. What? We about to go ahead and change out the gauge cluster in the IS. So this is the gauge cluster right here. As y'all see, I don't know if y'all can see right now, but it's light outside. Let me see if I can see that. Yeah, y'all see that orange? That's how I look at night. And the color we about to put in here right now, it say pink on Amazon, but it's really purple on the post. We about to see what it look like when we put it in there, but it say pink, but it's purple. And I wanted it to be purple, but it said pink. I don't know. Yeah, man, we about to go ahead and do this right now. Set up the camera. I already done took, I don't know if y'all can see, but right there, you got a screw. I already been unscrewing that one. Then I took that one out right there. But it's another screw somewhere around here. I'm gonna find that one in a minute and I'm gonna let y'all know. But it's 3 screws in total you gotta take off just to get this off right here. And should come out easy. I've been messing with it. Come on now, nigga. There we go. So this is the second screw right here. Alright, so I'm kinda stupid. The other screw is literally right there. I don't know why. I was literally in my face, but I'm finna take this one out. This is the third and final screw to unloosen this little plastic cover. And after that, we got 3 other screws. Alright, third and final screw right here. So this should just pop out like so. Boom, bam, bow. You know what I'm saying? And then you got a little piece right here you gotta take out. Alright, one clip out. And then you got another. Now that's it. Alright, so plastic cover off. And then right here, you got 3 screws that's already in front of your face, so you know which ones to do. You got that one, and then that one, just to take this out. And then you got this screw right here. This for to change the key little thing. You see it's orange. This to change the key thing. But we finna change this whole thing. This whole thing, this, and this is finna be purple. We finna go ahead and loosen these screws up right here though. All these screws the same size too. Thank you. I love that. I love that. Tell this never been taken out before. At least I don't think so. Oh, I'm about to lose a screw. Oh, I gotta get that screw. Fuck. See, this one was kind of loose. That one was OD hard to get up. Second screw right there. We got the third and final screw right now. Alright, now this whole thing should pop out now. Right here. Then we got a few connectors behind this to get this whole thing out. Or is it only one connector? Oh, it's only one. Alright. Now we got the whole cluster guy out the car. It jumped rusty on the inside, boy. This is where everything gets interesting. We gotta take these little screws out so we can get to the plugs. Or maybe we don't. Probably don't gotta do that. I think the major things we need is this one, and then the blue ones, 2 blue ones. All right, my camera finna die, so we gotta do this quickly. This right here, you wanna take this out. Then you got a bulb in there. Take this bulb. You got your new bulbs right here. Put that guy in. Then that's back in there. You lock that back in place. Then we got this one right here. Same thing for all of them, pretty much. Self-explanatory. Put this one in there. Boom. Put that back in there like so. Then it's the third and final one. Oh my gosh, I'm dropping stuff, bro. Stop, bro. Stop, bro. I'm moving too fast, bro. I'm gonna need some needle noses, so I'm gonna go get them real quick. All right. Got some needle noses. Take that out. Got these little one right here. Finna put this one back in there. Make sure that guy locked in now. All right, that bit locked in there. So now we finna put the cluster back in. It don't look like it's coming on. All right, after many tries, probably like more than 20, we done got it purple. You know what I'm saying? And it looks exactly how I do in pictures. I mean, it do look kind of pinkish, but it look more purple than pink. Just a little intermission. I just wanted to show y'all something real quick that I didn't say. I like that light, it look good right now. But that I didn't say early in the video. I don't want y'all to be in the comment section like, I put the lights in and they did not work. If they don't work when you put them in, it might be a bulb dysfunction, or you just might have to switch all the bulbs that you put in there. You might have to switch them around. Keep switching them, I was switching bulbs for like 2 hours yesterday, bro. Straight, bro, like unclipping, bro. My fingers, the tip of my fingers are numb damn near right now, bro. Like, I was unplugging plugs all day, back to back. Like, that hurts. If you know, that hurts, bro. So I was doing that, but I don't want y'all to be in the comments like, you gave me the wrong thing, you did the wrong thing, you didn't do it right. I did it right. You just gotta switch the little LEDs over and over and over and over and over again until you get them all powered on, like so. And it's gonna get frustrating, but I just wanted to say that real quick because I don't want y'all in the comment section like, he did it wrong, blah blah. And it's also the same thing for this one. If you don't turn on, you're gonna have to keep changing back to back to see which one is which, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just wanted to say that real quick before y'all try to blame me and unsubscribe from me and don't like the video and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? But let me go ahead and let y'all get back to the video, man. This look real nice, real nice. And I done took this whole thing out before just from trying to change the radio. Yeah, so we finna go ahead and do this real quick and let me get back with y'all in a minute. All right, man, this is the process we done made. We done moved on to the climate change. What you gonna have to do for this one is get you like a screwdriver like this. Get you a screwdriver like this. This plate go into here like this. And then basically, you just take the screwdriver, boom. And then it come out. And then you gonna have 2 screws right here, right here. You just grab a screwdriver like this, or you can have one like this to get that junk on loose. And after that, this come off. 2 screws right there, boom, boom. It's not a screw. Then you got 2 10 mils right here. 1, 2, 10 mil right here. Take them off. Then after you do that, this whole thing should come out. But before you take this out, you're gonna need to unplug these. Alright, actually I was lying. It's 2 10 mils down there too. There's 1 10 mil right there to the right and 1 2 mil right there to the left to get these out. So we finna do that. Matter of fact, I don't gotta do all that. We just go put it to the side like this, and we're gonna do them 10 mils. Dang, I might need a longer one. Oh my gosh, bro. I remember taking my radio out. This was the worst part, bro. Alright. This brought out another 10 mil right here. Alright. And then we got the second one right here. And after that, this whole guy should come out. Screws right here. Oh, it's 1 screw over there, but 1 screw right there. Alright. That's 1 screw. 2 screws. Then it's the last one right here. And after that, this thing right here should just slide off. Alright, and then you want 2 little plugs back here you want to unplug. See if we can do it with the camera in our hands. Unplug. 2 plug. Red plug, blue plug. You gotta get you one of these little Phillips screws like this. And then you gonna have 4 little screws. Y'all see the little holes? That's where the screws at. Y'all gonna have to take them out. Y'all got 4 of them on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So finna take these out. Alright, second screw out. Alright, now for this right here. Alright, GoPro died, so we finna have to continue off the phone. But like I was saying, you got 3 little, before you put these white ones in here, is 3 brown ones. So you wanna take the brown ones out, then put the ones you got in there, and then keep this connected or it don't matter. But after you done with everything, put it in, connect it back if you did disconnect it. We got 4 little bitty screws to put back in there. I'm gonna put these guys back in there like so. Make sure it's tight. Alright, man, it is a couple hours later. It's currently, I don't even know what time we started the video, but it's 9:59 right now. And this is how everything looks. After everything done, let me take the light off. Got a little bit of purple on there. I don't know why that's not like that. It's probably missing some that I could have put right there to make it purple. Now, it do look kind of pinkish now, but it still look purplish, and I still like the pink anyway, so I ain't even tripping. But yeah, man, it look good. I ain't gonna lie, it look real good, man. I don't know why in the video it didn't pop on, but we also did the key thing too. The key thing is purple, pinkish, whatever you want the color to be on video. But man, it's gonna be the end of the video, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, favorite, do everything y'all do, man. You know what I'm saying? If this video did help you, make sure you like the video and let me know that it helps you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all next video, man. I love y'all. Y'all stay safe. Y'all stay on y'all P's and Q's, man. This be your guy Sxundo, man. Chili fam, be the gang. And yeah, I'll see y'all next video, man. No cap.